What's up everyone? Welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Ashley with another video. So today's video is a good one. It's all about makeup. I went to Sephora and I did a little bit of damage. I got a lot of stuff which I want to share with you guys. If you like this video, don't forget to give this girl a like and subscribe to my channel. I do all types of videos. I'm a girl who lives in New York City and loves making videos. So let's get started with the video. Okay guys, so I'm just gonna be picking out stuff out of random. So the first thing I picked up was this Fenty Beauty by Rihanna. It's this instant warmth bronzer. Let's see how this looks like. This is how the color looks like. It comes in this beautiful packaging. We're just gonna swatch it. Okay, I like that. So the next item I got was from Laura Mercier, and I picked up this item from TJ Maxx for like $5. So this kind of went in this bag. I don't know why. But it's makeup and I'm gonna show you. It's this beautiful, I've already swatched it. It's this beautiful colors and it's called the Chic Eyeshadow Eye Clay Palette. And it has these beautiful, I really fell in love with this shade. The one in the middle right here. It's beautiful and I bought it for $5. So that was a great deal. So the next item I picked up was from Armani, Giorgio Armani, on the number 103, color matte, and it's this beautiful color. If I swatch it for you, it's that beautiful color, and I'm excited to try it out because I love these type of colors. So the next item I picked up was from Fenty Beauty by Rihanna. We love our girl Rihanna. And I've heard so much great things about this. I think this is her new collection. So I picked up number 180. Is this concealer, which I'll swatch it here. That's the color. And it looks very like kinky. Oh no, it feels very velvet. I blended it out and it went right into my skin. So I got the perfect shade. Next, another Fenty Beauty by Rihanna, and this is in the color 110, and this is a soft matte longwear foundation. So the color I picked up was 110. I'm not sure if this is the right color, but I don't want to put it on my arm. But I'll be testing this one out on my skin and see how it goes. The one I had before is a little bit orangey, and it's the one I have on my skin right now. It's a little orangey, but it's okay. With the product that I apply after, with the powders, it does blend it out evenly. But I'm very excited on trying this product. As always guys, if you want a full depth review of anything I mentioned, please let me know and I'll be happy to do one for you guys. The next thing I got was these two brushes from the Fenty Beauty by Rihanna. I'm in love with this lady. But it's these two brushes and I'm very excited because I love brushes, and this one is the Sculpting Bronze brush and this one is a foundation brush. I love foundation brushes because I don't know why, but I love foundation brushes. So these are gonna be great to apply, especially with the new foundation I just got. We're still on with our girl Riri here. The next item is another Fenty product, and this one is the Hyper Metallic Finish Endless Way to Glow. Ooh. Okay. So this is the colors that came in the package. I'm gonna swatch it on my arm. So these are the two colors. These are the two colors right there. And I'm loving especially this one. I am in love with those type of colors. Champagne and golds are my favorite type of colors to put on my eyes. And it just makes my eyes look a little bolder and I just love it. Another product by Riri is this pink lemonade. That's the name, pink lemonade, I'm sorry. And it's a match stick shimmer skin stick. So it looks like this, and I'll be applying it here. And that's the color, this one right here. It's like a blush, and it has like a type of like gold. If you can see a little bit of gold on it, undertones. And that's beautiful for the skin. And especially I tend to be very pale, and I think this will give me that beautiful pinky glow that I am looking for. Following the next product is another matte foundation, and I think, oh, this one I got it from my mom. Mom, she's been getting a lot of these good stuff from me. But I got another one for her, and I got her on the color 105. Which I already showed before, but that's the color I got, 105 for my mama. So the next product is it's the color Unattached by another Fenty Beauty. We got the whole collection here, girl. And it's this, it looks like a nail polish, but it is not. And I will apply, it's like a lip stain. And that's how the color looks. I'm like kind of freaking out applying all these stuff because I have the white carpets, and if I get this on it, my George would kill me. Okay, so this one is from Giorgio Armani, and this is on the color 206. And this is another lip stain. Oh, I'm so scared. It drops on the floor. So I like this one. It's so pretty, especially for fall. I think this color will look beautiful. So I got a Marc Jacobs what is this, Fawn Over Me? I don't remember where's the box, but it's this beautiful color right here for the fall as well. I don't know where I threw the box, but it's somewhere in here in this madness. Next product I got is another Marc Jacobs, and this one is a color 450. So it's a little different than the one I showed you before. And it's this beautiful. You see how it's a little different? But I also like this one because it's more of a nude color, and it will always look good with a beautiful shine on top of it. And especially I have a bunch of lip glosses from Marc Jacobs, I can blend it together and it'll give you a beautiful glowing look on your lips. Finally, oh, this one I didn't buy, but I was gifted this. This was a Floral Street Wonderland Peony. It smells like flowers, and I don't want to open it, but it smells like flowers, and it's so pretty. And lastly, I got the mini lip gloss set in these two colors. It says To the Moon and French Tickler. It's these pretty colors here. They're very good to put it on my bags, on my Gucci Soho that it's small. I think it's always good to carry very mini bags. I mean, mini lipsticks. So the next product I got is another Fenty Beauty by Rihanna. It's the Sunstalk Instant Warmth Bronzer. The packaging, so pretty. He's gonna kill me. Okay, so it's this beautiful color. See? We are running out of space. Okay. This might be a little too dark for me. A little too dark, probably, but we'll make it work. Ah! He's going to kill me! We're safe, guys. We are safe. These are all the products I got. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe to my channel. Have a great night, guys. Bye!